This is a final video to fix Clair Obscur Expedition 33 save files disappearing. Are your game saves vanishing without warning? You're not alone. This usually happens because the game save system gets confused by corrupted files or cloud syncing errors. Many guides online show long, confusing steps that are hard to follow and waste your time. But I discovered a simple trick that solves this problem in just a few clicks. You don't need to dig through folders or reinstall the game. This method works fast and keeps your save safe. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial, comment below and I'll show you exactly how to fix it. Follow this tip from Rexish, and your game saves will stop disappearing for good.